Okay, I had to make sure the camera was working appropriately. Yeah, I apologize for that. But this is the other 2013. And just excellent condition though. Excellent condition. Again, you've got your proximity key start. Then we're going to take a look at, this is the other interior I was telling you about. Now, I don't know, a lot of people like this. They especially want it ordered. But it is a, I think they call it a saddle brown interior. Let me go through the back here. And you can get a good look at that. See if you even like that. I don't know. You can come around to the, and you got your vents back here. And here's the front of this one with the dark wood grain interior. I mean, dashboard. And your home link on the mirror. Again, your heated seats. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go tape the 2014 that we have available, and which is your mineral gray, I believe. I'm going to have to go locate it. But when you get these, if you would give me a call and just let me know that they filmed good and you could see everything, that would be great. Thank you.